What is going on, you guys? Alex and Eric here with T Sportline, bringing you another Tesla video. We're actually in Eric's garage today. He literally just got his wall mount Tesla charger installed, and I'm gonna turn the camera over to him real quick and let him talk about his experience. He's been using the 110 charger, and this is just gonna be so much better.
So what's up, guys? This probably looks very familiar to most of you, right? Well, I've been driving around our T Sport Model Y for the last couple weeks. I'm new to the Tesla world, but I've been loving it so far, but I haven't been loving the slow trickle charge of the 110 charger. So when I go to work, I come back home, I'm home for 12 hours, and I maybe get a 5% bump in charge, which, over the course of a week, I'm literally I feel like I'm, on the verge of, running out completely and having to go find a supercharger. But I'm excited. We just got an electrician to come over and install the wall mount charger. Fortunately, we had enough service coming in, so we had 600 amps for this house, but we were able to get the maximum charge rate with this bad boy. And so I'm very excited to start using this on a daily basis and basically eliminate that constant fear of am I gonna run out of charge for the day? So I'm really excited, and I'll let you guys know how it treats me.
So definitely worth the investment of getting the wall mount charger for convenience of charging your car at home, especially if you do drive your Tesla every day and you don't have the time to let it sit for a day to get a full charge on the 110. So worth it. Call up an electrician, have them get you sorted out, and you'll have a full charge in no time. As always, for our parts and accessories, you can check those out at tsportline.com. If you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment down below. And if you're not already, subscribe and hit the bell to be notified whenever we post new videos. We've got lots more Tesla content coming very soon. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.